And we're stopped at Buc-ee's for gas. You got the kittens right there. There's our babies. Our two older cats are in their little cubby holes in the back. Enzo's in the middle. And it's kind of a gray, yucky looking day. Our first stop is Buc-ee's. We needed gas and we figured we'd go get breakfast. What a great place.
Signal that the side is working. The left side is more pointed.
Continue on the current road.
That should have more pointed.
Next stop is a harvest host called Hangar 25. It's an air museum. We're looking forward to going there. We're also going to stop at Love Station because we need to top off. Turns out there's no gas stations from there on up all the way to Palo Duro Canyon.
This one has gas, right? Where are you going at my side?
Nobody's coming. No, we're fine.
Where's the pumps in the middle?
Pumps are in the middle on this one.
Hang out a little bit.
There we go. Look at the clouds. It's been cloudy all day, but we didn't care. As long as it wasn't raining.
See that building with all the gizmos?
Yeah,
that's it.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
They all park.
Looks like it.
They all park in front of that hangar. The airport is no longer an airport. Up that hitch,
Yeah.
back down. These doors don't open, so.
No, I don't think so. It's just,
See the area?
yeah. We can go look at those now.
We'll wait till tomorrow so you get the whole thing. We should have enough room.
There's our baby. We have the generator running right now. But really, it's quite lovely outside. And a weird sky. Really pretty though. And here is our harvest toast for the night. Hangar 25. And now of course the wind just picks up. There's some planes outside. We're going to get a museum tour tomorrow because we got here too late tonight. But I called them and they were quite agreeable, allowing us to stay, even though it was after hours and they had already closed. All those clouds make for a really pretty sunset. It occurred to us that those were storm clouds in the distance. The kittens seem to love the RV. It's like a big toy. All kinds of cool things to check out. And boy, can they get into trouble. But they're so much fun to watch. see on the planes from our windshield. King Desi, king of the captain chair. Curators of the museum gave us a brief overview of what we were going to see. And the first thing over here in the corner was what was brand new in World War II, was radar. And she was telling us a little bit about it, how they used to keep it under a cloak and they wouldn't see it until they put it on the plane, and then they would take it right off the plane and hide it again. It's kind of wild. And then she let us loose to go check out all the other exhibits. It was fascinating. This is a Beech AT-11 gas mount. It was used
World War II
as the
bombardier
trainer in the Big Spring Bombardier School. There are all kinds of uniforms here. A lot of them were donated by the people that wore them.
And you'll see propeller plane.
Yeah.
It's shooting. This is the plane.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yes.
wow. Cool.
It's interesting history because it turned out to be a trainer, and they put bigger engines in them, and then they ended up converting them into bombers, and then they used them in Vietnam. It's close air support.
Oh, wow.
I did not know that. This is also owned by the same couple.
Oh, really?
It's flown here.
Wow. There's a Lockheed T-33A Shooting Star. It was designed for training pilots already qualified to fly propeller-driven aircraft. Cool. A lot of glare on this case. It's tough to see. There is so much to see in this museum. You've got to come and see this. all kinds of things to touch and read. I can't do it justice. You have to come to this museum.
If I'm not mistaken,
This
back
is
down
tight
here,
up here.
Down there, you
Yeah.
used to be able to walk right across and go back where the bombs were.
Wow. Yeah, it's a little tight. I have to climb back down. And that's the cockpit. This is the outside of the cockpit we were just in. And this is a A-10 Rescue Trainer Thunderbolt 2 module. Of course I have to sit in it. Look at this. I guess I can't touch the pedals, but I fit everywhere else. Can you imagine? It's a trainer, so it's not a real thing, but really, all these things actually worked. We got a late start, but we're off to Palo Duro Canyon, which is our next stop. We're psyched.
Please drive to highlighted route.
I will.
Look at those mean clouds. Still looks like it's gonna rain, but it hasn't. It hasn't rained on us yet. Remember those famous last words. If you like this video, please hit the like button and maybe subscribe if you want to watch more of our videos. We'll see you around.